Hello everyone, welcome to the Hindu editorial vocabulary and reading program presenting by Diction Addiction and the moderator is Dr. KPS Human. Today's Hindu editorial we are going to analyze the title is Thinking Before Linking. It's on voter IDs voter list going to be synced with the Aadhaar database. Let us get into the vocabulary section. The first word is unwillingness, means not willing or reluctant. Second word is meaningful, means significant or worthwhile. Consultation means discussion or advice. Undo, cancel or reverse the effect. Progressive means developing gradually. Problematic means difficult or hard to act. Ignoring means refuse to take the notice or acknowledge. Managed means handle or governing the things. Ecosystem means complex system or database or where different elements are interacting and they're depending on one another. Purify means removing the contaminants. Weed out, removing the unwanted one. Bogus means not genuine. Laudable means deserving the prize. Seeding means planting to develop. Satisfy means meet the expectations. Rigorously means extremely thorough. Sufficient cause, there is enough for it. Ulterior means secret purpose or motive. Scrutiny means careful examination. Triggering means something to start or activating. Provisions, statement within the agreement. Migrant, person or animal living at not native place or different place from the birth. Enrollment means joining or taking part of it. Grave means very bad or serious and serious one. Implications, a possible future effect. Underscored means emphasizing, stressing. Disenfranchisement. Disenfranchisement means the action taking away the right to vote from a person, means the voting rights are removed from the person is called as a disenfranchisement. Legitimate means according to law. Demographic means related to the population. Profiling means recording and analyzing the data. Unanimously means all the people are agreed, having the same opinion. Indeed means really true. Electors means person who has a right to vote. Non-citizens means person who are not a citizen. Identifier is a one that identifies the things. Unique means one thing or a single thing on earth. Proportionality means relation to the size. Deemed means regard or consider in a way. Franchise, the right to vote in a public elections. Mass deletion, bulk removal from the data. Mandatory means compulsory. Remote, far away from the center or away. So these are the words which are very important to understand the articles. Hence I have presented so many words, but they are required to understand the article. So now we'll move to the next session called as reading session. Thinking before linking. An unwillingness to allow meaningful debate and invite wider consultation can undo even the progressive aspects of problematic legislation. Ignoring the protests, the union government has managed to push through a bill in parliament to link electoral roll data with the Aadhaar ecosystem. On the face of it, the bill's objective to purify the rolls and weed out bogus voters may appear laudable, and the seeding of the other data with voter identity particulars may seem to be a good way of achieving it. Indeed, this can also allow for remote voting, a measure that could help migrant voters. The four qualifying dates for revision of rolls will help in faster enrollment of those who turn 18. However, others aspects hold grave implications for electoral democracy. The opposition underscored the possible disenfranchisement of legitimate voters unwilling or unable to submit Aadhaar details, the possible violation of privacy, and the possibility that demographic details may be misused for profiling of voters. Each is a valid concern that ought to be considered by parliamentary committee. Union Law Minister Kiran Rijiju has said the proposal has been unanimously approved by the Parliamentary Committee on Law and Justice. But it is not clear if the specifics of the bill had been discussed widely and public opinion sought. There are indeed complaints that some electors may be registered in more than one constituency and that non-citizens have been enrolled. But these can be addressed by other identification processes. In fact, the Aadhaar database may be irrelevant to verify voter identity because it is an identifier of residents, not citizens. And the complaints of wrongful enrollment have come up even against the unique identity number allotted to more than 90% of the population. Mr. Richu is confident that the election laws bill satisfies the test laid down by the Supreme Court, a permissible law, a legitimate state interest and proportionality. However, this has to be rigorously examined. Even though the Aadhaar requirement is said to be voluntary, in practice it can be made mandatory. The bill says the election registration officer may require the submission of the Aadhaar number for both new enrollments and those already enrolled. The choice not to submit is linked to a sufficient cause, which will be separately prescribed. Whether the few permissible reasons not to intimate one's Aadhaar number include an objection on principle is unknown. If an individual refusal to submit the detail is deemed unacceptable, it may result in loss of franchisee. Therefore, the measure may fail the test of proportionality. If the government is really has no ulterior motive in the form of triggering mass deletion from the electoral rolls. It must invite public opinion and allow deeper parliamentary scrutiny before implementing the new provisions that now have the approval of both houses of parliament. This is very important law to be going to come, and it will affect the every individual. Almost 90% the voters are more than 90% of the voters, because as like a bank KYC, know your customer, where every Aadhaar is linked. Similarly, as of now, the government may be saying that it's voluntary, but at the time of implementation, it will become mandatory. And when Aadhaar itself is not a identify, it's not a it's a only identifier of resident, not the citizens. Means some citizens who are not having the Aadhaar may be going to lose the vote rights. So it has to be discussed very deeply, and it has to be consulted with the experts. Then only it should be implemented. Thank you all for listening. For more updates, subscribe my channel Diction Addiction. Thank you all for listening. See you again with the one more editorial. Thank you.